Clipping masks. As we already learned about layer masks, now let's see what are clipping masks and why do we need them. So we have our previous amazing picture with Superman, but for now let's disable our Superman visibility by pressing this eyeball icon next to the layer. Grab type tool and write something like Superman. Alright, now we have a background of New York and a Superman text. Let's move our Superman text layer down and below the New York skyline. As you can see, you didn't see anything. But now let's hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and place your mouse cursor between those two layers. The text tool, the actual text, and the New York skyline. You may see that appears some kind of arrow between them, and when it appears, just click on it with the left mouse button. Or you just can Control Alt and G on your keyboard, or Command plus Option and G on your Mac. Voila! You now see our text with New York skyline background on it. This happened because we clipped our background New York layer to text layer and you can only see the text. But where can you use them in UI design, in user interface design? Well, navigation bars are the most used with clipping masks. Let's create a simple navigation bar and I will show you why clipping masks is perfect for it. Let's create a new document. Text doesn't matter. Press OK. Create a simple shape with this great blue color. Add some dummy text to it, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. And now let's imagine that this is some kind of navigation bar. Alright, so grab the shape tool and draw the shape on top of the third one. Select this darker blue color. As we have our newly created rectangle, let's drag it to the end above the navigation bar background layer. Hold down the Alt key and click between those two layers, or press Alt plus Control plus G. Voila! We just created a pressed navigation menu item. That's simple. The main logic is really simple. Just go and start playing with it by yourself. Thank you for tuning in with me, and I hope I will see you in the next lesson.